डीपीएस स्कूल के राव कैंपस का शुभारंभ करने के लिए सीएम कमलनाथ इंदौर आए। इस दौरान उन्होंने बच्चों को मूल्यों का पाठ पढ़ाने की बात कही। देखिए इस खास रिपोर्ट में।
आप क्या सीख रहे हैं और आप कैसे सीख रहे हैं, ये आज सबसे महत्वपूर्ण हो गया है। इसलिए एक शिक्षण संस्थान का जीवन में बड़ा महत्व होता है। ये बात सीएम कमलनाथ ने सोमवार को इंदौर में डीपीएस राव के नए संस्थान के शुभारंभ के मौके पर कही।
This is a very important need. What is the standard of education we want to keep as a benchmark, as an index in our state? And the higher the bar we put, the better the standards will be. Not only in this institution, not only in DPS, not only in the DPS institutions, but in all educational institutions. So my congratulations to you, Hari Mohanji, in setting the bar very high for other institutions to follow. Education is something which is not merely in the classroom. Education is something which is outside the classroom. And most important of all will be not what you learn in your class, is what you learn outside your classroom, outside your school. And this is what you got to pursue. And students, finally I want to tell you one thing, that in life there will be a difference between achievement and fulfillment. You may reach heights, those that will be achievement, but will it be fulfillment? So what you got to pursue is how do you make achievement and fulfillment converge. You can be a minister, it's an achievement. You can be the head of an institution, it's achievement. But
सीएम बोले कि आप क्लासरूम में क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या सीख रहे हैं, वही शिक्षा नहीं है, बल्कि क्लासरूम के बाहर भी आप जो सीख रहे हैं वो भी शिक्षा है। यही नहीं, सीएम कमलनाथ ने कहा कि आज हमें शिक्षा के साथ नैतिक मूल्यों को भी समझना होगा और शिक्षा के सही मायनों को जीवन में उतारना होगा।
To the students here, I'd like to say that you are the privileged ones. You are privileged to be getting your education in one of the premier institutions. This gives you an edge, this gives you an advantage which other students do not have. This becomes your springboard, and this springboard of yours is going to set your course for the future. You are privileged, again, students, to be a part of this educational institution. The world has changed. So much of the world has changed. The world is changing. What you learned and how you learn is changing. Most importantly, how you learn is changing. 15, 20 years ago, the way you learned was different. What you learned is also changing. Not all of it, but much of it is changing. But most of the change is taking place in how you learn. Who would have thought that we would have had the internet 15, 20 years ago? 10 years ago we talked of 3G, today we talk of 4G, tomorrow we will be talking of 5G. This is the change which is taking place. And unless institutions, the teachers, the faculty adopt and adapt to this change, the institutions cannot be able to maintain the high standards. In this changing world, by the time you graduate, the students here, by the time you graduate from college, the world will have changed even more. So what you are seeing change today is
इस अवसर पर पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री दिग्विजय सिंह, कैबिनेट मंत्री बाला बच्चन, तुलसीराम सिलावट, पीसी शर्मा, जीतू पटवारी, कमलेश्वर पटेल, जयवर्धन सिंह भी मौजूद रहे। कार्यक्रम में डीपीएस संस्थान के मुखिया भी मौजूद रहे। कुल मिलाकर सीएम कमलनाथ ने बच्चों को पढ़ाई के साथ साथ सफलता के भी टिप्स दिए। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, एमपी न्यूज, इंदौर।